Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super common dating app dilemma: accidentally swiping the wrong way on Bumble. If you've ever regretted a quick left swipe on a profile that caught your eye, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unswipe on Bumble in 2025, step by step. This feature is a game changer for fixing those split-second mistakes and boosting your chances of making meaningful connections. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Bumble app installed on your phone. Bumble updates its features regularly, and for 2025, they've made the unswipe process even smoother. Start by opening the Bumble app and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main feed with profiles to swipe through. Now, if you've just swiped and realized your error, look for the backtrack button. It's usually represented by a yellow arrow icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it quickly. Bumble gives you a short window to undo your last swipe. If you miss that window, don't panic. Head over to your profile settings by tapping the icon in the top left or right corner, depending on your app version. In the settings menu, scroll down to the backtrack or undo swipe option. Here, you might need to enable it if it's not already on. One important thing to note: in 2025, Bumble has tied some features to their premium subscription. If you're a free user, you might only get a limited number of backtracks per day. To unlock unlimited undos, consider upgrading to Bumble Boost or Premium. It's worth it if you're serious about dating. Also, remember that backtrack only works for your most recent swipe, so act fast. Once you've successfully backtracked, you'll see the profile reappear, and you can swipe again with confidence. This simple tool can save you from missing out on great matches, so use it wisely. There you have it. Unswiping on Bumble made easy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more dating app tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping.